This is a quick video on changing brake pads on an Audi 100, and what you need to get the two pins out, one here, one here, so you can lift the caliper off. When I started the job, I looked on YouTube and various places to see what the crack was as far as the size of the spanner involved. It's not a spanner indeed, it's a socket. It's not even a socket, it's a torx adapter, and it's about 6 mil. Let's turn the light off. And I got lucky, I found one in my workshop on my bench, just this on its own. Everything else I had in this setting here, you know, all the wrong size. So basically, when you come to do the job, you find that, let's put the light back on, that there's one sticking out there already, okay? It's recessed in this plastic shroud to keep it covered, and it sits like that. So you're presented with the assembly, and you think, okay, well, it's an Allen key, right? Inside there, you're going to access, except it's not. It's a Torx wrench. So once that's out and off, and once you've got one, the job's really easy, as usually is the case with changing pads. Now I let these ones wear down because I'm going to change the discs anyway. I bought these pads from a French site. I paid 19 euros for them. You see, that's possibly the world's worst brake pad. Down to the rivets. I've almost worn the rivets away with that. So the discs will be changed as well. 25 euros including delivery, which is, you can't sniff at that, very cheap. On this hub lifts straight off, and it's actually held in place when the wheel goes back on. So there you go, that's a quick tip for anyone looking to change a 1991-ish and onwards and before brake pads on an Audi 100. The Torx wrench, the Torx is about a 6, and you need one.